What's up, guys? A new day here in our village, Nyabohanse village. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. Thank you so much for the people who are watching me. Another vlog here, guys. A surprise for Maria and a surprise for also me. It has been long. Maria, kuja tutoe hizi nani. Maria, come say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, light.
It's Maya and
Come here. Yeah. Say.
Hello guys, with Maya and Reggie.
Yes.
Maria,
Subscribe.
Subscribe to Maria _KE
And
Instagram.
and you? Maria _KE Instagram. Yeah. So guys, that is Maria _KE. Kindly subscribe to her channel, Instagram, share, and tell a friend to tell another friend that Maria, she's on Instagram, my niece. She's so amazing. She's just from school, and you can see she's this is good for Maria. Itoe basi hapa ndani.
Funga mlango.
Nifunge mlango. Maria, she's telling me to close the door so that she can deal with her goats. Aye. Kuja ufungue basi. Pawale. Aye. Good girl. Itaenda mbali. Haitaenda mbali. Itatoka nje gate, Maria. Yeah. Good girl. So this is Maria and this is Maria's goat. Yeah. And unaifungaga wapi? So I'm just trying to ask Maria where she always like. Hapa. Twende basi.
Kuja.
Vuta. Vuta kabisa.
Kuja.
Aya, funga huko. Guys, this is Maria's goat. Aya, funga huko.
Nimefunga mguu.
Umefunga mguu? Wacha tutoe. Aya, shikilia kamba. Yeah. So we are trying to tie this goat here, but funga hapo tuone vile unajua kufunga. Maria from school, guys. So if you haven't checked, tena umeachilia. Funga hata hapa. Funga hapa. Funga hapa. Hapa chini. Chini kabisa. Ona hapa chini, mama. Acha nikuoneshe. Hapa. Yeah, she is still on uniform, so I'm trying to show her how to tie a goat. Hivi. Alafu hivi. Waja nikuoneshe. Vuta. Vuta. Yeah. So that is okay, guys. Yeah. So that is how Maria's goat is grazing here. Yeah. Outside here. And guys, also we have some gifts for Maria. And also we have a visitor and a long time visitor. I can say long time visitor. She has been here like for I think 4 to 5 months. Yeah, but now she's back and I'm so happy, and today we're going to have a chat with her. yeah, of course her. Yeah, so and get to know what she has for Maria and also what she has for me today, guys. So and also, guys, this is the sun that we brought from Sintake 1. We want to cement here, and also, guys, as you know, we have that project of tiles we are still on, and I think by tomorrow we will be doing it and continuing doing the tiles of village grandma's kitchen. So we have this son that is here from Sintake 1, of course, and we just promoted the Sintake 1. And also, if you haven't checked on him, kindly check on him, subscribe, share, watch the videos till the end, guys. So the project is still on of village grandma's kitchen, and of course I will be showing my like my friend here what we have done in village grandma's kitchen, so that she can give remarks. Is it remarks or yeah, I don't know, guys, but anyway, we have our friend here. We have a lot of sun from,
so it's you to stand at the other side.
yes,
it's okay now, right?
yeah.
What's up, everybody? I really missed you guys. It's been so long since I was at the village, to be precise, at Maja's place. But guess what, we are back again. I really can't wait for us to show you how the village looks like, everything about village life. And before that, my name is Big Mick. For those who are watching me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping at Maja's YouTube channel. We really appreciate you all. And Maja, congratulations for your 10,000 subscribers.
Thank you so much.
I really am so happy for you, because I've seen you struggle for it, uploading videos each and every day. Even me, I always get tired, but for you, you've never got tired. You're always busy. You're always like thinking of what to post for us. So I really appreciate you, and congratulations to you. And I can't wait for you to get 100 subscribers, 100,000.
Yeah, thank you.
So that we can come and celebrate you while holding that plug YouTube. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, it's very good when you hold that
it's just like something amazing. So here I have my beautiful friend. Introduce yourself once again, Maria.
Once again, Maria, what is your name?
I really love how she introduced herself. You know, she starts like, subscribe to Maja_KE and Village Grandpa. Introduce yourself, Mama. Say hi.
Hi. It's Maja_KE and Village Grandpa. It's Maria_KE.
Look at the camera, Maria.
Look at the Instagram, at the camera, Mama. Okay, talk now. Say, talk to them.
Talk to them.
Yeah, tell them hi.
Tell them hi.
I really love Maria so much. Yeah.
She always says what you want her to say.
Oh.
You know, when you say like, tell them hi, she'll say tell them hi.
Hi, Mama.
Yeah.
Maja_KE and Village Grandpa.
Yes.
It's Maria_KE Instagram.
Wow. Please, guys, go and follow.
And say subscribe also to Mick. Say
subscribe to Mick.
Yes.
Wow. Kindly go and follow Maja_KE, Maria_KE on Instagram. Please. I really can't wait for her to grow so that she can start her own channel. I think she's not even supposed to finish school for you to start her YouTube channel. Once she knows that, like, to know how to talk like properly, just open a YouTube channel for her, because she's so genius. The fact that she knows how to say his grandfather's YouTube name, your YouTube name, and her Instagram account, that's so amazing. Okay, ulikuwa nataka nikulete nini?
Chocolate.
And na nini?
Na crepes.
Na crepes.
Na vitu za kupiga hivi.
Vitu gani hizo?
Hizo ni gani?
Kupiga hivi.
What are
So
those?
guys, vitu za kupiga hizi if you can tell
Things
us.
to beat like this.
Yeah, to beat like
Hizo
this.
ni gani, mama?
Hizo ni gani? Zinaitwaje?
Usijikune itatoa ngozi. Hizo zinaitwaje? Okay, niambie, today what did you guys learn at school? Mlisoma nini leo shule?
Tulisoma A, Bu,
Angalia kamera ukisema mama.
A, Bu, Du, E, G, A, I, G, K, L, M, N, O, Pu, Quy, R, S, T, A, Vu, Wu, Gi,
Leo mmesoma mingi. So brave.
Oh my goodness, you know, at
Maria,
our
yes.
time, we never used to say that Bu, we used to say
A, B, C,
So
D.
for me,
Now it's
while she was
Bu.
saying, I was even lost.
Yeah.
As I told you, she is so genius, and because of that, nilikuletea chocolate. Nilikuletea chocolate.
Mama, mbona umekasirika? Nini nakuma kwa mkono? Hujakasirika?
Umekasirika? Basi mama hivi niangalie.
I'm just trying to ask her why she's...
Umekasirika? Smile.
Smile. Smile here at the camera. Smile. That is my Maria.
chocolate.
Peke. Okay, number 1. She said chocolate.
Yeah.
Here, mama.
Wow. Chocolate. Hey.
Thank
Tuoneshe.
Oh, good girl.
Amesema thank you. She said thank you too. Yeah, this is chocolate that she has been brought by.
She has always been singing the chocolate.
Chocolate,
stuff.
chocolate,
You know,
chocolate,
even if I have a phone call with her. Even if I'm far away, because I've been lying to her that I'll bring you chocolate each and every day. I'll bring you chocolate. But today you have your chocolate.
Yeah, and guys, if you don't know, I've been always talking to Mick.
Yeah.
Always talking to Maria, and also it's a good thing. And I want to appreciate you so much for being here for my family. You were there when I was down, like my sister was sick. You were there. You and your sister, I really appreciate you so much, and I really don't know what to give back, but I know God will reward you so much. And God will reward you so much, and I don't know what to say, but guys, she was there, you saw her, and her sister Atrin. Kindly subscribe also. If you're here, subscribe to Atrin Boke, doing amazing work. Mick doing amazing work, and also we have amazing things to show you and to tell you, me and Mick. Is it true?
Yeah, sure.
Amazing things coming.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Yeah, amazing things, you know. The last time we did a video, I think me and her, it was something at her home, her home, or
yeah, it's that way.
Yeah.
My phone,
Yeah, so it's coming big and bigger. So thank you so much, Atrin, for coming and surprising my I can call her my
niece.
My baby. Yes.
And Maria.
Maria,
I know
bro.
these things are sugary, so I don't want you to eat like them zote leo. You keep these. Sawa, this is yours. Niko na kudanganya chini yangu. Shika.
Hiyo nini, mom?
Cake.
Cake. Joy. This is a cake, also a present from Mick.
Thank you.
And
Thank you who?
Mediria. Yeah.
So,
this is a
kula
cake.
hii, ukitosheka na hii, utunze. Sawa? Haya, unataka nini ingine? Unataka nini ingine?
Shika ya crips. Hizo zote.
Utamaliza hiyo keki peke yako, ama utagawia Auntie Sheba? Utamgawia? Sawa, mpeleke. Good girl.
Unaenda kugawia Auntie Sheba?
Ambia kutunzie kwanza.
Ai.
Utamgawia ukifungua.
Okay, guys, that was Maria.
Maria, she's
and
from school.
yeah.
Yeah, but honestly, I came here because of her, because I really missed her so much.
But you have been lying like you're coming to see her.
Yeah,
And
so that's
she's
why-
very like.
She doesn't forget.
Yeah, she
She's
doesn't
always,
forget.
as it reminded me, if the moment she gets that chance of talking to me on
Yeah.
a phone call, she's always telling me that Mick ulinidanganya. Mick, you lied to me that you are coming.
Yeah. And
And,
she's like, you told me you'll bring me some
bring me
chocolate.
chocolates.
Yeah. So Maria, she's someone who keeps me busy also, especially when they have closed schools, and she's here. She always keeps me busy.
Usikule mingi because you are a kid and the chocolate
She said
is
she's not a kid.
sugar.
Wewe si mtoto mama.
When
Wewe
you
si
told
mtoto. Wewe ni mtoto ama si mtoto?
Mimi mtoto.
She said she's
you
not
are
a
not
kid.
a kid, Maria. You are not a kid. Say no.
Yes.
Maria is so genius. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So genius, and I really love her. And would you like or love to be with a kid like this?
Sure. Genius the way Maria is. You know, if you have a kid like this, you'll never get bored in
Yeah.
the house. Because Maria is always talkative. Even if you are bored,
Yeah.
you just have
She's
to,
like-
as in smile with her so that she can feel okay. Because she's always talking.
Yeah.
She's always giving you stories, always telling you what they learned at school. She came when we had not yet started the video, and she had already told me like, let's say 10 colors that they read today.
Yeah.
And she has also come and told us the alphabetical
Letters.
you know. She's
Yeah.
as in, you can't get bored when she's around.
Amazing. Yeah.
She's always talking, and that's really good because she's always giving someone company.
Yeah.
Especially when she knows you the way she knows me, like when she sees you, Mick. She's always,
And
wow.
hey, wow, she's giving me. Nikule kidogo. Haya, anakuja, anataka kuoga. So she's going to take a bath. Asante, pe auntie. So Maria just
Nikatie
gave me this.
dog. Thank you mama. Sawa, tunza hiyo. Chukua hii alafu tunza ingine. Tunza, funika hii. Yeah, this is yours. Nikimaliza nitakubaia ingine. Shule yenu mnauziwanga nini shule?
Mandazi.
Shule
So-
kuna mandari. Halafu kuna hadi kuna simsim huko.
Simsim.
Simsim na mandazi. Takupa pesa ukuje ununue kesho. Sawa?
So guys, what Mick is trying to say is like,
There's you
Help
know, in schools people always have things like canteens.
yeah, we
Where
have.
you can go get some snacks. I was asking her what they always sell at their school. You know, not all schools that always have canteens.
Yeah.
So she told me they always sell mandazi and sim. So I was telling her I'll give her some cash so that tomorrow she will go get herself some sim.
Maria, do you know how to buy yourself mandazi? Unajua kujinunulia mandazi?
Kwa kanti.
Uko kanti?
Karibu.
Unaenda unalipa wanakupea?
Jadi watoto wengine wanalipa laki. Saya uji. Wanaenda kununua mandazi.
Okay.
Wenye hawana chai, wenye wako na chai, hawana mandazi wanaenda kununua.
Wewe unabebanga mandazi kutoka home?
Maria, explain yourself in English. Explain.
Talk in English, Mama.
In English. Porridge time.
Porridge.
Able tell uncle to stop disturbing you.
Yeah, but
She's so
anyway,
young.
anyway, we are just trying to tell her to just know English, because when she comes to maybe social media, and also she has a Instagram account, so that she knows how to speak in English, so that everyone can understand. Yeah. So Maria, unaongea Kizungu? Unaongea Kizungu?
Ananifunza.
Auntie Sheba?
Na Nkodana atakuwa ananifunza.
Auntie Sheba.
Mimi, si ndio? Ndio nasema, say porridge time I buy mandazi.
Porridge time I buy mandazi.
Namwambia sema aje? Auntie Mick will give me money. Sema hivyo.
Auntie Mick
Will give me money to buy mandazi.
to buy mandazi.
Yes.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Clap for yourself.
Clap.
Book club vya mna clapping shule.
Good girl.
Sema.
Well done, well done. That is better. Shake your collar.
Hey.
Wow, very good girl.
A very good
Girl. Very good girl.
Sawa, go and
Ndio,
take
mama.
shower. Yaani tunze chocolate uoge alafu tena ukule. Utoe viatu.
Yeah. So guys, we were just talking to Maria, and I'm really like happy to be. Are you comfortable?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah. So I'm really very happy to be like with a niece like her, because she always, even when I'm late waking up, when she's at home, she's like, Uncle, wake up, amka. So she's so like lively, and you know everything.
For
And
sure,
I really
like the fact that she's so lively. The way I've just mentioned as the video was starting, honestly, you'll never get mad where Maria is.
Yeah,
Because
sure.
at the moment she sees you, as in maybe you're out of your mood, she will always come to you and tell you that she will start disturbing. Uncle, umekuwa nini? What's the problem?
Yeah,
You see?
exactly.
So
Yeah.
she's so good. She's so nice, and I wish you all could have that chance of meeting her. But I know that one day we'll all meet Maria.
Yeah, and you know another thing. Sorry for cutting you short. You know, when someone comes maybe to see me, and Maria doesn't know her, she always comes to me like, Uncle, there's someone maybe at the gate. He wants to see you, or she wants to see you. I don't know her or him. Him, or is it the correct
But
English?
it's fine, yeah.
So she comes like, come and see him before he gets in. So I'm really happy for her, and I want to have a kid like Maria. Yeah, raised in a very nice environment, and yeah, everything.
Yeah, Maria, you know, she's so respectful.
Yeah.
You know, when she even comes from school, one thing she's always doing, she goes and greets her aunt Sheba. I don't know if you all know her. I think some of you knows her.
Yeah,
So,
our house manager.
she always goes and greets her Shikamo. That's how we always greet our elder people here at the village, Shikamo. After that, she comes to her uncle's house, Maja, and greets him at the same time, Shikamo. So she
Shikamo means like
as in, it's just a greeting.
a greeting in Africa. Shikamo, but it's just like hi.
Hi, yeah.
Yeah, hi, how are you? But it's a we can say it's a like ile yani respectful.
It's a respectful way
of
greet your elders.
Yeah, sure. Your elders, you say shikamo.
Yeah, the fact that she doesn't know how to speak in the mother tongue.
Yeah.
That's as in I think shikamo came from Swahili people, like in Tanzania. That's how, and for us, we are closer to Tanzania. So I think that's where we got that shikamo thing from. So we always say shikamo to our elders if you doesn't know how to greet people in your language, like in your mother tongue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You say shikamoo,
Sure.
marahaba. Yeah. So guys, would you really like to have like a family that you have kids like Maria disturbing you?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many kids do you want to have?
3.
3. One.
I will want
A lady.
for a firstborn. You know, men are always like caring for others. So I will want my firstborn to be a boy.
Oh, yeah. Second
So
born?
that secondborn a daughter, so that the elder one will be taking care of her, you know, like giving her advices. Yeah, I've seen families that have firstborns as sons, and I like it. And now the thirdborn, I will want to have a boy too. I would want to have 2 boys and 1 girl.
1 girl. Yeah, and of course, even us, we have 1 girl.
You have 1 girl? Oh yeah.
1 girl, Pascalia, you know her, and we have 3 boys. Yeah, that is engineer software and everyone. So, and also what I wanted to ask you, like, how do you want your family to be?
To be like, in what terms?
In times like maybe financially.
I think for me,
Yeah, let's start with financially.
before even talking about the family, for me, I will not want to have a family before I'm not like financially stable. That's why I'm really working hard. When that time comes, I'll be financially stable to cater for my family.
Are you not financially stable?
At the moment, no. Yeah.
My dad is very strong.
He's so strong.
Yeah.
At the moment, I'm not financially stable, so I will never want my kids or anybody from my family to suffer. That's why I'm really working hard, not sleeping day and night, at least trying to make my future bright. Make at least when I have kids, you know that age of maybe your kid wants to go somewhere and you don't have money
you
to
don't
give
have
her.
to
Yeah.
like at least you don't have to ask everything from your husband.
Sure.
Her husband.
So me, I
Like,
would want
yeah.
my kids to live the life that I never had a chance to live. Going for vacations, you know, when they close schools, go for vacation, drive good cars, you know, as in just that life.
But in our village you don't need cars. We have cars like zile za usiku. Yeah.
No, I'm
So
not talking
anyway,
about
guys, anyone needs a poshy life, good life, but I really believe here in our village we can like live a poshy life and very cheap, not very expensive, and also it is Maria over there. So not very expensive, like for me, I really believe here in the village I'm very comfortable because it's not expensive. Because even if ujaoga Maria and oga. I'm just telling her to go and take shower. So what I'm trying to say is like in the village, I know you are used in the city.
No, not really. Me, I'm always at the city because of studies.
Yeah,
You
I
see,
know.
I've closed
Yeah,
school
sure.
and I come back to the
Sure.
village. Me, I love
So,
a village life
yeah.
because it's cheap, affordable. You know, when you have a car over here, you will not like want to have that a lot of fuel compared to the city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because in the city, especially Nairobi, you have jam. You know, especially when you're at the jam, yeah, inakula mafuta mingi.
Sure.
It eats a lot of fuel because you have to stop again here. Yeah. So, but here in the village, you'll go to the border, come back, go to the village, come back at home.
Sure.
It's very cheap. So, I really believe here in the village it's cheaper, and especially when you have maybe your wife You know, even village grandpa comes from here. He has a motorbike from here to the
market.
Yeah, and it's very few kilometers, like even 1 kilometer.
Yeah, it's not
1
even
kilometer.
far. It's a walking distance.
Walking distance. So
At 3 minutes walk.
yeah, 3 minutes walk. So he's there. So it's not that expensive. So here in the village, I think here is the best. So I think you should come back to the village.
Yeah, me after school, after I'm done with school, I'll come back to the village because this is where I belong. Yeah.
East, west, home is the best.
Sure.
Yeah. Even me, I went to Mombasa. I've lived in Mombasa. I've lived in Nairobi, but home is the best. Like right now, we are chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, here, just as in feel how it's quiet. Somebody can have that peace of mind that you want. You know, like sitting outside here, it's just quiet and amazing.
Yeah.
So I really prefer life in the village compared to life in the city.
Yeah.
And if you as in, let us know in the comment section where you prefer your life to be.
Yeah, sure.
At the village
Or in the city.
In the city.
Yeah.
But for us, we prefer life at the village.
Yeah, like you know, even today we have like the maandamano, Gen Z.
Imagine.
In Nairobi is very bad, but
over
here,
everything is peaceful.
guys, we are so
it's
peaceful.
not that we don't want to, as in, do protest, but you know, like we always just pray to God.
Yeah.
Pray for our brothers who are in the city.
Yeah.
Because at the same time they are also fighting for us. But for us, you can't go for the protest because people over here are so quiet, peaceful.
Yeah,
and
and
everybody's
people,
minding
you know,
their
people,
business.
everyone has like a land, maybe a
Sure.
small land. He can maybe plant some kales, plant some, you know,
Sure.
onions, tomatoes. So, you know, in Nairobi you have to buy everything. But here you can plant for yourself. So it's easy for you to maneuver. Like you can take your tomatoes from your own farm, cook for yourself,
Sure.
and everything. So I think the village is the best place. So for me, my advice, nakuja. So that was Maria disturbing our conversation, guys. But anyway, I really appreciate you, Make, and I want to say
I also appreciate you.
Yeah, I appreciate you so much because when I was down, you came up, you and Atrin Boke, your sister. I really want to appreciate you guys so much, and so many people who came through. Yeah, I really appreciate that. That is the friendship, you know.
Sure.
That is the friendship, and yeah, that is so golden. Like,
sure.
Yeah, so golden, you know. And we really have a lot. I think you're here for a very long time.
At the village? Yeah.
Yeah, very long time.
Until as the end of September.
Imagine. So guys, you will be getting content from
Maja.
Back,
and relax and enjoy and wait for our amazing content. So like for me, I've not been uploading videos for a long time, but I'm now back. Just get ready for us.
Yeah, sure. And we want to give you the best. Even I just forgot something that we were to do tomorrow, but I think you guys will just see it on there. So for now, guys, I want to say thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for 10,000 people watching me. Make at 10,000 plus. Yeah, me, I'm at 10,000 also plus. Maybe 50.
Congratulations.
By the way, you are not here for my. What are you giving me?
10,000.
Just good vibes. That's what I bring to the table.
Thank you so much. Anyway.
Yeah, I've been praying for you, man. I used to pray for you for the 10,000 subscribers for sure.
Kwana kuita Maja KE.
So, see uncle.
I've been praying for you.
Uncle Dan.
Eh,
Yeah.
I used to pray for you, and I was the happiest when I got the news that you are already at 10,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
And keep pushing.
I'm
No, we are
pushing.
not yet there.
You know.
It's now the time for us to start,
Babu, kuja.
now afresh.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is my dad. Very strong. Village grandpa. Yeah. So yeah, you are saying?
Yeah, I will say, let's take this as a start.
Mhm.
We are aiming, especially me, aiming at 100,000 subscribers, so that when we get to 100,000, we will carry our flags together, celebrating, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, just showing people how we really worked hard for it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching us, and if you have watched to this part, I really appreciate you, man. Thank you so much, so much, so much. We love you all from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you for always supporting Maja KE. Thank you so much for always supporting Village Grandpa. And if you have not subscribed to his YouTube channel yet, kindly go and subscribe to his channel, and we will appreciate. Yeah, and subscribe to mine too at Mick if it's your first time seeing me. And we really love you guys. So I'm at the village, and we are going to give you good content each and every day, starting from today. I hope you guys are going to enjoy.
From today, guys, we are going to you guys are going to watch me and make me, and we are going to give you very nice contents here in the village, and you guys get to know everything about I can say my family and Mick's family, and at large maybe get to know me and
Sure.
Mick.
Yeah.
What we are up to, guys. So keep on tuned, watch the videos, don't miss. Tomorrow we have new video, and kindly don't miss, guys, because we have great things that we have to show you guys, and I really appreciate it. And we have a friend here also, William does. Yeah, he's a new YouTuber.
Oh, he also has a YouTube channel.
Yes, you can say hi. Yeah.
How are you, man?
Yeah, poor son.
Sana, yeah.
Yes.
Hey, hello guys. Hi everyone. Welcome guys to Maja_KE, and we really appreciate for your support. And always, bro, congratulations.
Thank you
for reaching 10K. So guys, I'm Johnston Mozak. I'm also a content creator. I'm just coming live from the village here, that is Nyabuhansi. So in my channel, I give out lifestyle in the village, construction, entire village life, farming and everything. So guys, if you like the content that is in this channel, you can also, I'm pretty sure you like my content, guys. So you can slide into my channel, that is Johnston Mozak, watch my content, and also you can consider subscribing and supporting me. That is the all you can support us. But otherwise, we are here and we are prepared to give you amazing content, and we will be doing that for a long time. So thank you guys, and thank you Maja for also giving me this chance.
Yeah. So guys,
No,
they look alike.
They talk
Look
like
alike.
Oh, they
like
yeah.
talking. Yeah.
No, he's also our brother from just here.
down here.
Yeah, just down here. And I really appreciate, and guys, if you can support him to the level best. Let's take him. I always say this, but you know, also what I want to say, and I think this is a story for another day.
Another day.
Another
Yeah.
video.
That is
Another video,
Its own
but
video.
yeah, another video. So
So,
I really
okay,
want to
guys.
thank you so much.
I also
Yeah, for always being there.
Kindly go and subscribe to his channel. You know, supporting each other is
Yeah.
the only way to go. If you don't support us, the only way you always support Maja, go and support him too, for him to feel motivated so that he can upload amazing videos for you guys. You know, it's really hard for someone to make, especially boys, not least girls. We always like showcasing our life to the social media, you know, as in showing you people what we do daily. But for men, for a man to at least make up his mind that he wants to start a YouTube channel, it's so hard. So guys, kindly go and subscribe to his channel if you are from my end, or even Mother's YouTube channel, or any whose YouTube channel, and we will appreciate.
Give Maria that.
Bye.
Akupe. Yeah. So guys,
Let's go,
all I want to say,
Maria.
it's thank you so much for always being there for me. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching our videos, guys. We have amazing things that we want to do here in the village. Yeah, keep on watching, keep on tune from the village Buga, guys. We are here again, don't miss. Yeah
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Maria, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
bye bye.
Bye. Sema thank you for
Bye
watching.
bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye
Bye.
bye.